Hello and welcome to Minutes Master, where you can master a skill in 60 seconds or less. Today's topic is entering a room in Google Meet. So let's get started.
Google Meet gives you a lot of options before you enter the video conference room. In this video, we're going to explore the various ways you can tailor your video conferencing room to serve your purposes. When you click on a link to enter your Google Meet room, you'll be presented with an option screen that provides you with various bits of information and options. You'll see a video preview screen, as well as icons that show you audio and video status on the left side. On the right side, you'll see your room name, how many participants are waiting, and buttons that will let you select how your room will be set up upon entering. In the video preview screen, you'll either see video or a blank screen with the words "Camera is off." The two icons will tell you what the status is for voice and video. If the button is red with a slash through it, it means that particular option is either turned off or unavailable. Right now the audio is on, but the camera is turned off. If you have both a video and microphone plugged into your computer, but you cannot turn on your audio and or video, check the settings to make sure that the correct video or microphone is selected. You can also change video quality settings. Lower the settings if your internet connection is slow. On the right side of your screen, the name of the room is shown. This name was created when you created the link in Google Classroom, so don't pay too much attention to it. If you want to join the room immediately, click the Join Now button. If you would like to begin the video conference with a slide deck or by showing your screen, hit the Present button.